What's up, my friends? Welcome back to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Rainbird anti-siphon valve drip kit. This is like an irrigation control kit for drip zones that comes with an anti-siphon valve. Let me hold it up. This is the exact model, the XACZ 075 PRF. So let's take it out of the bag, look at the parts, components, talk about it, and then wrap it up. Okay, here we go. Flipping the camera over, and let's open the bag. I already cut the bag, obviously. There is the valve, and this is a drip filter with built-in pressure regulator. Keep in mind, I have another video that covers this specific, what's going on with the camera here? Hello. I have another video which covers the anti-siphon valve, and another video just about the pressure regulator. So just want you to know that these are the parts that are included with it. You can buy them separately and put them together, or you can just order the kit that Rainbird has. So this is the anti-siphon valve. The first part of it is the Rainbird LFV valve. This is the DV model valve, but it's actually meant to flow a very low flow. So they label it as LFV, which, can you see that? Come on, camera. There we go, LFV. And this is just kind of your standard Rainbird DV valve that's angled. So you have water coming up here, and then you have water flowing this way through the anti-siphon valve and then back down into the ground. So these valves are meant to be called above grade, not down in a valve box, but above grade. And that's your valve. This here is your bleed screw. So that's what you can use to manually open or close the valve. Keep in mind, when you do open it, water is going to come and trickle out, and that releases the pressure on the diaphragm to let the water flow through. You can also do that through the handle on the valve. There are directions with arrows. Let's see if that shows up. Yep, on and off. So all you do is turn the handle in the on direction, quarter turn or so, and that'll also release water over the diaphragm, which will let it float up and water will flow through. So that's the easiest way to manually operate your valve, is just to grab the handle on top of the solenoid, twist it quarter turn to open the valve. And then this is the anti-siphon part. So this is what makes the valve anti-siphon. Water can only flow in one direction. It comes from the valve this way and then down, and water cannot flow up and backwards. This protects the potable water source from cross-contamination from your landscape, penetrating back into the domestic water supply. So that is the purpose of the anti-siphon valve. And then this is the drip filter that can be installed. Let's go ahead and put this on here. Can be installed like that. Again, water is moving down in that direction, so make sure that it is not put on the other direction. There is a handy arrow here. And inside this filter, this is all filter and pressure regulator for 30 PSI, labeled as red, there is a screen filter. This is what will filter the water. And to clean it, you can just pull it out, as I have done just here. You can dip it in a bucket of water. You can use a soft bristle brush to clean it if you should need to. And that will prevent any small debris from getting stuck in your dripper line or your point source drip emitters, depending on the type of drip system that you have. And that's it. That's what comes in the Rainbird anti-siphon valve 3/4 inch. I don't know if I mentioned that, 3/4 inch control zone kit. So I hope that helps give you a quick overview of what it looks like, how big it is, what it maybe sounds like. Just kidding, I've never done that before, but why not? So if we can help you answer any questions about your Rainbird drip system, feel free to reach out to us. We are available by phone, chat, and email. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.